Hello, hello, hello. This is your girl Tawana J, your hair loss practitioner. Let's teach you how to do cornrows. Okay, let's get started. As you can tell, I'm gonna section a small piece of hair off. And I'm taking that small section of hair I have sectioned off and I'm sectioning it into three different sections. These three sections will be the base to start in my cornrows. Okay, as I take this, I place one section in my right hand between my third finger and my thumb, another section in my left hand between my fourth finger and third finger, and I'm taking my pointed finger on my right hand, crossing over, and I'm grabbing that top single piece between my thumb and pointed finger, reaching between my third and fourth finger, grabbing that hair, putting it in between my fingers of my pointed finger and my thumb. Coming across again, grabbing that center piece of hair, taking that hair, grabbing the hair that I'm holding between my third and fourth finger, placing that between my thumb and my pointed finger, picking up hair as I go along down the part in which I made to do the cornrows. I'm taking that center piece of hair, grabbing it, and I'm taking that hair between my third and fourth finger, putting the hair, holding it with my middle finger and thumb, taking the center piece of hair, coming back around, going back between that piece of hair that my third and fourth finger is holding, putting that in between my fingers of my thumb and my second finger, my pointed finger. As I continue to do this, remember you're always going to have a centerpiece that's going to be going under, and you're going to always, as you go under, you're going to get another centerpiece, and that other centerpiece you will begin will be from the hair that your pointed finger and thumb is holding on the opposite hand, and you'll be picking up hair from your third and fourth finger as you go down. It sounds complicated, but it's really not complicated. Look at how my fingers are going. See how I'm pointing to where I'm placing hair with my fingers? See how I'm showing you where I'm going to grab hair? It seems complicated, but it's not. You just, as you go down, you're picking up hair, putting it between my thumb and that pointed finger. That single piece of hair, I'm taking it, going around, taking my pointed finger and grabbing that hair that my third and fourth finger is holding. And it's leaving me with a single piece of hair that my thumb and pointed finger that will be holding. That piece of hair right there goes between my thumb and pointed finger. And I just take it around. And your third finger is also your foundation hold. You're also holding it as the foundation. You're using your third finger to hold on to the hair with your thumb. Your pointed finger doing a lot of action, but your third finger and your thumb is your foundation hold. And that's the hair that you're holding, that you're using to hold on to the hair, while your pointed finger is being used to pick up the hair and to manipulate the hair to go where you want it to go. But now we're down to the end of the hair, end of the braid. Okay, I'm about to pull the camera out some so you can see how I'm braiding. A lot of people call this plait, some call it braid. Okay, notice how my fingers are. You notice how I'm going in and out between those two braids. If you could braid like this, you could cornrow. The only difference you're doing is as you braid, you grabbing hair as you go down. That's the only difference. You grabbing hair as you go down. Let's do another one. Grabbing my section my hair off into the 3 sections. And I'm beginning to go down. Look at my fingers. Pay attention to my fingers, okay? Let's see if I can get a better zoom in so you can see how my fingers are going. Look at how my fingers are going. Pay close attention to my fingers. See how my fingers is picking up this hair? I'm grabbing hair as I go. Do not hold on to the hair tight. Because like I said, your 3rd and 4th finger is holding on to the hair for you. Your pointed fingers is the hair that's picking up for you. And as you hold on to this hair, do not hold on really tight, but you need to have a little tightness to it so you can have a neat braid like this braid is. If you don't have a nice little grip on it, the braid will not be as neat. So you want sort of like a firm grip, but you don't want it too tight, because when you pull in the hair extremely tight, you're gonna damage the follicles. That's where traction alopecia comes from, and you don't want to damage those follicles. If you braiding and if you notice that you're seeing red, if the hair is turning red as you begin to braid down, you're pulling too tight. If the skin is beginning to buckle, you're pulling too tight. You do not want that. Okay, let's try again. This one is going to go a little faster. Again, pay attention to the fingers. Pay attention to how my fingers are going. I'm going in and out between the braids. In and out. See the opening? Fingers twisting and going between those openings that my 3rd and 4th finger is holding the hair, and my thumb is holding the hair against my 3rd finger. Pay attention. It's really not that hard. Focus on the fingers position, how my fingers are doing. Do you think you can do it? I think you can. Just do not overthink what you're doing. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. In the comments that you would like for me to answer, please list them below. I will see you on my next tutorial.